In this video, I'll show you how to download Netflix shows on your laptop for offline viewing. To download TV shows or movies, you'll need one of these devices with the latest version of the Netflix app installed: Android phone or tablet, iPhone or iPad, Amazon Fire tablet, Google Chromebook. First, open the Netflix app and log into your account. Next, browse or search for the TV show or movie you want to download. Open the title, then tap the download button if it's available. Wait for the download to finish. The content will be saved to your device, so you can watch it without an internet connection. To access your downloaded content later, open the Netflix app and go to My Netflix. Then tap on Downloads to see all the movies and shows you've saved for offline viewing. Select any downloaded title and start watching, even when you're offline. And that's how you can download Netflix shows on your laptop for offline viewing. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.